Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to use animations with SwiftData. So in this simple example I have some content view in which I declared model context and environment variable. I have a query which has some filter, predicate. This is my list of items, so I want to query list of items from local database, and I filter them on the name. So if the name is default, then query only that part of list. And for sort, this is just a sort on timestamp, order reverse, so this descending. That means when I add a item, I want to order them to the newest, to the last one added. Okay, I have it here simulator. So when I click plus button, it just adds another element. I also have swipe to delete method which deletes item. But what I want to show you in this video is that you can basically, after sort, you can add animation parameter and just use default animation. We can now run this application one more time, and now when you add plus, you can see this this nice animation as it is added at the top. That wasn't here before, so that's a really fast way to add some animation. You can play around with animations. There's a lot of them. You can use whatever you want, whatever you need in your case. However, what I also want to show you is you can add animation on the list. So this is list of these items, and on the whole list you can call animation. And for example, I want to add animation only if my count is bigger than 3, so only if I have 4 or more items. I will use ternary operator, and if count is bigger than 3, then I want default animation. In else case, I do not want any animation. And for value, I want to add that on my items list. We can try to run this one more time. Okay, I will delete a couple of them. I only want to have one item in list. So when I add plus, you can see that there is no animation. Again, there is no animation. Now we have 3 items in the list. On the 4th item, I get the animation again. Okay, that's some simple animation, but it is really simple and fast to edit to your project. Okay, thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more videos about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next one.